morning people from Roiet. Today I'm going to head towards the coast. We've got to go through 4 provinces today. Maha Sakram, a little bit of Surin, and his then journey is going to be in Buriram. But check out the Roiet tower. Absolutely humongous. That's the tallest building I've seen for at least 5-6 weeks. Shaped like a giant wind chime. Anyway, I'm going to have a little mooch round here, a little bit of Roiet city before we get going down to Buriram. It is a fair distance today. This is probably one of the longest rides I'm going to have to do. But I want to see the sea. I want to head towards the coast. So I'm going to head towards a province named Trat, if I can. If I can't quite make it there, we'll be going before the end of the trip, and don't need worry. But that is the plan, we're heading towards the beach. So let's check out Roiet. Roiet is absolutely beautiful. It's like a breath of fresh air. Because riding across here, Isan is a vast territory. And I want to see the sea. We're still maybe 3 days away. But I'm going. I want to have a soak in the sun. So I'm going to head towards Trat, and then ride from Trat up to back up to Bangkok to meet my buddy. I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be absolutely an epic ride. So today I'm going to put quite a bit of riding footage in, since we're going across 3 provinces. I've even upgraded myself to my old, if I can find it, hide it somewhere in here. But I've got my old shoelace around my neck again for hold the camera in tow, so I can do some epic motorbike footage. Even though it's garbage, I do know that, but I'll try my best. Look, this is what the tower's replicated of. Feel the wind chimes you have hanging outside, and they rattle together. That's exactly the same as the Roiet tower. But wow. How impressive is that? It's that big, I can't see fit it all on the screen at once. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, and they've got loads of bonsai trees. I love a bit of bonsai. Oh, that's a cool one. There's loads of them. A little bit of bonsai tree. Anybody's got it? 50p. And the lady's so friendly. But they're laughing at me because my tire's not very good.
แต่ทาง YouTube พี่เท่านั้นอีกจังน้อยก่อนเวลาว่างกลับไปหามึงตะข้าวอีหยังบัวข้าวใส่หมูแดงใส่หมูตันอยู่หั่นล่ะ
So you can take me about 3-4 hours to get to Buriram. Because I had a long day's riding yesterday. And hopefully it's going to go easily. And the bike's going to stay smooth. But these guys are just setting up in the morning. I was going to have a fire towel, but she ain't quite ready yet. So I'll just have to have roadside coffee and have a little mix round some tea a bit later. Well, there we have the coffee hero. for an absolute ride. Oh, that stop. Isan is so vast, I couldn't even explain it. I know it looks big on the map, but holy moly, it is absolutely vast. I've just cut through Maha Sakram and Surin, just a few kilometres back there. But we're heading towards Buriram. Buriram is about another 60 kilometres this way. Oh, what a ride. I'm absolutely knackered at that stop. The bike's running good. The clutch is slipping just a little tiny bit, I can tell. But I'm going to ride it until there's no clutch left in it before I get it repaired. So hopefully it's going to make it to Bangkok in the next 10 days. We're ready for the beach. Yes! It's been a bit of a challenge here, Isan. Nearly lost another pair of headphones. This is the fourth pair. Isan is so vast, I just cannot just describe. It's just farmland after farmland after farmland after farmland. It's all just flat rural. Like just here where you can see, just over the road here, sugarcane plantation, rice fields on the other side. Same on this side. But we're in 100% positive spirits, and that's what it's all about. Oh, but my horse is absolutely killing me. Oh, what we got to do, we've got to march through. Buriram is maybe another 30 minutes away, and I might not stop at Buriram, I might just get something to eat there and just try carry on through. There's a national park just on the other side of Buriram. I might try to stay tonight so we can get close to the beach, because tomorrow I want to swim in the sea. We want to be in there. I've even lost count how many provinces I've been now, easily. Well, we done Rajdhani was number 20, then we went to the other one, Isan 21, Sakaeo 22, Roiet 23, Maha Sakram 24, Surin 25, Buriram will be number 26. We're getting there, people, we're getting there. But I'm going to jump back on the bike and try and get to Buriram so I can get some teeth, because I'm absolutely Hanko Marvin. But this is the side of the road on towards Buriram. Just dual carriageways as far as the eye can see. But the bike's been absolutely sweet. And the bike has just hit just over it. I'll show you, so you don't think I'm telling any porcupines. If you have a look here on the clock, it's just hit 40,008 kilometres. When I bought the bike, it had 34,227 kilometres on the clock. So do the math. We have literally hit over 5,500 kilometres, give or take a little nat's bit. And I actually thought this trip will be 5,500 kilometres in total. We're literally about halfway. I'm heading towards Trat. I want to go Koh Chang and have a little chill out there, have a little dip in the sea, and then I go ride up all the way up the coast to Bangkok, and then all the way back down. And we have about 8 provinces in central Thailand I'm going to go. But first I'm going to go Bangkok. I'm going to give the bike a much needed service. The oil needs to be changed every 3,000 kilometres. The oil needs changing right about for the next 500 kilometres. So I'm going to see if I can get ourselves a deal, a bargain. Last time it worked out about 1,200 baht. So hopefully we can get it around about the same price or maybe cheaper. Let's jump back on the bike. Let's go to Buriram. Anybody's made it to Buriram. I've just got myself another iced latte too today. It's the only thing that's keeping me going. Right, check out the temple for the temple mooch. Chinese temple. Yeah, this looks like a Chinese temple here, Chinese Buddhist temple. Look at the difference. People are praying in that area there. Ah, it's absolutely beautiful here. But what a ride out here. God, I knew it was far. But anyway, positivity. First impressions of Buriram, absolutely beautiful. Right, check this out. Doesn't matter where you go. It's just absolutely pristine. How beautiful does this place look? A nice stop off for me iced coffee. I can't get over how cheap they are, 25 baht. You get Starbucks in there, you pay £6 for that. Bloody scandalous. This is what I saw at the side of the road, this here. It's like a Khmer style temple because at one point Cambodia and this part of Thailand were actually one empire. Look how beautiful that looks, all carved out. Absolutely beautiful. 2023. Oh, it's beautiful around here. Check out the temple of Buriram. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful spot. Enjoy my latte. Right, I need food as well. I'm absolutely starving. I've been trying to find some of the side of the road noodles, but they don't seem to be many. So I'm going to have a little turtle through the village and Buriram city and see what we can devour. It's absolutely bliss here. What a beautiful part of the world. Right guys, here we go. We shot Buriram yesterday, just by about 30 kilometres. There was nowhere to stay at all in southern Buriram. But I'm here. We're in Sakaeo province, which is province number 27. I'm going to leave this video right here. Yesterday was one of the hardest bike rides I had to do. It took literally about 6 hours getting here, and it was an absolute grueler. But we're heading towards the coast, so you're going to have to follow me on the next video, see if we can make it to track today. But I'm just going to leave you with a little bit of footage on this little remote town. And not far off the Cambodian border. Cambodia's maybe 10 kilometres the other way. And we're in Sakaeo. Got a little morning market I'm going to start tomorrow's video with. So you're going to have to watch the next video, see if I actually make it to Trat. I hope so. So I'll see you on the next one. Now I'm going to make tomorrow's video the start. So nice one for joining us. Ciao.